Twain drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain drive installation completed. Double-click the VixWin icon to open the VixWin software. Create or select a patient in the Patient folder window. When using Twain Drive for the first time, you need to add Twain Drive settings. After entering the main interface of the software, click File Optical Scanner Select. In the menu bar, to enter the Select Source window, select the corresponding Twain Drive and click Select. Click View Full Mouth. In the menu bar, to enter the template mode, click Full Mouth Series New Mouth in the menu bar, select a template, and click OK. Click File Optical Scanner Acquire. In the menu bar, to start Twain Drive. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, the software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select VixWin and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, click Cancel and click Return Image Software to automatically upload the image to VixWin. Operation completed.